tracks. Tram is in the tram tracks. Okay? Dubai Marina.
Oh,
There's a yacht.
moving fast.
It's moving fast.
Ito, ginawa nila nga yung bahay nila. Ito na
Enjoy.
kaya yung mga yan?
Siguro.
Ang gubat yung labas.
TJ.
Walang ganong ano, tao yung iba. Walang ganong. Ayan, ang wala yun. Ano floor tayo dati?
Five.
Nagbe-video okay na. May mga nakakarinig kaya sa baba.
Maganda rin pwesto natin dyan noon, no? Pero yung toilet kasi din natin noon nasa labas.
Hinarangan nila. Sa atin walang harang dati. Yung iba
Hinarangan yung...
Hindi may harang.
Huh?
May harang pala. Sa kabila yung sa break, ano? Yung balcony ng bedroom.
TJ. TJ.
My meat in a trunk.
Yeah, you are still in the tram because we didn't reach the tram station yet.
My meat in a trunk.
You still in the tram?
Mommy,
Baby.
my meat in a trunk.
Mm.
Mommy,
Mm.
mommy, my meat in a trunk.
Because we didn't reach the station yet.
Better not go there.
Yes.
Better too slow.
We are moving too slow.
Why? Why?
Oh, we reached the tram station. Now let's go. Sana.
Wait, it's moving.
It's moving still. Oh, here's your card.
Daddy, collect.
Let's go.
This is a drum truck.
Faster, the door will close. Here. Move forward. Here. Then you tap the card, okay? Not yet. Here, CJ, here. Tap. Ay, galing oh. Oh, wait for daddy. Wait for daddy. Wait for daddy in the escalator. CJ. CJ. Say hi. Say hi. Ayun na oh. Say hi. No more. Wait for daddy.
Hey, you can go.
Eh, the tram go already.
I'm going far.
Yeah.
Why?
Because they have a time. How to answer that?
Why is going far? Mommy,
They need to go to another station to
Mommy,
pick
why?
up the passengers.
Where is a train go? Why a train is going far? Mommy, why
Mommy.
a train is going far? Mommy, why a train is going far?
because they will pick another passengers.
Oh, the first one. There.
Yung batuta.
Step. CJ. CJ.
Boxing uncle. Uncle. Beng beng. Pew pew.
Please, please.
Pew pew. Pew pew.
Slowly, CJ.
I want to.
Look! Look! Who's that? sabay pa kayo lumingon.
We go in the beach.
No, only walking.
Oh no. Oh, we going from.
Going Ang galing ng timing natin ah.
Nakita niya ba kami?
Hindi! Nagkakanta sila, I want to eat, eat, eat. Ganon. Oh, hug daddy na.
Sabi ko ulit.
Ngayon, hinahanap mo ng madaling araw.
Ay, Diyos ko. 2:30, gising na siya. Hanggang ngayon.
Mala. Me, Ika. Ika.
I wake up too much early. Not only early, too much early.
I'm here. Asan.
San? Go where's your shades? Show me. Show me daw. Show me, CJ. Wow.